Happy Independence Day, guys, from Hollywood to Bollywood. What a great day. Friendship between two biggest countries, democratic countries in the world. One is the largest, one is the oldest. Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day to everyone. So blessed to be here. We've come all the way from Boston to attend this grand event. Have a safe and happy day, everyone.
Happy Independence Day to everyone. We are so happy to be here celebrating 70th year of independence for India. Thank you so much.
Hi, we are here to celebrate Indian Heritage Day, India's Independence Day, also to show to society that how Indians are playing an important role in law enforcement.
I'm coming first time and I see the USA and Indian cultures and everything. Bharat Mata ki Jai, Vande Mataram. Thank you so much.
Bharat Mata ki Jai! India's 78th Independence Day parade on a very grand scale, starting at Madison Avenue right now, heading on to 27-28 Lux for a culture festival for everything. May long live India. May God bless India. Love this country. Love my country. Bharat Mata ki Jai!
Good afternoon, guys, everyone. Today we are celebrating the 42nd Independence Day Parade in the New York City to represent India. And I want to thank the Brixton Department for giving me honor to march with them today. And I'm representing this Government Association of Hillsborough Community College. Thank you for joining us. Have a great evening. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Pooja Patel. I'm here for the Independence Day parade today. And I am Mrs. Universe New York and going to East America this year to represent America. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Hello, good morning. My name is Dr. Kumar and I'm part of AAPI. Today is our 78th India's Independence Day. We are so proud of India. That was my motherland. Right now, I'm in America. This is my real world now. And America is the largest democracy in the world. India is the oldest democracy in the world. We have so many things in common. God love us. God bless all America. God bless India too. Thank you so much.
Alright, happy Independence Day, India. I'm proud to be a Desi American and I'm proud to be part of the Connection Fund, where the whole list works.
Harsha from India, movie actor, South Indian movie actor, and I came here for a FETNA. It's a Federation of North America Tamil Sangam 37th conversation held in San Antonio. So I came there, and then I got many friends over here. So I just used to go all the places like Texas, California, San Antonio, and then finally this great gentleman bring me for the great event which is held in Queens Parade, and I'm very proud to be a great marshal for that event, as well as I attend a Nashville event too with Mr. Napoleon and the Tamil community, and now I'm a proud Indian. I just keep walk on New York Street with my country flag. It's very proud moment. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Thank you for the big support.
Thank you. Thank you. So how long have you...
Fight तक बोलो तालिम भैया की जय।
जय हो।
वो भी यहाँ पे थोड़ी देर में स्टेज पे आएंगे। Right now I'm joined by Dr. Sudhir Parikh, past president of FIA Board of Trustees, also the chairman of Parikh Worldwide Media. Sudhir bhai, good to see you. Happy Independence Day.
Thank you. Happy Independence Day to everyone. We are celebrating the 78th Independence Day. Let's enjoy and be proud of the India and our Indian culture. Jai Hind. Jai Hind.
And Sudhir bhai, thank you so very much. As you can see, his support always through Parikh World Media, Parikh Worldwide Media and ITV. Alright, few marching bands are passing by. Pankaj ji is going to be joining here momentarily. As we go along with the parade, I just want to say that we're joined by Neena Singh. Neena Singh happens to be the mayor of Montgomery Township in New Jersey. Neena ji, welcome to the parade.
Thank you so much for being here. This is amazing. I'm so proud to be an Indian American and seeing all of this. This is amazing. FIA does an amazing job every year. So glad to see everybody here. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Hope to see you. I'm going to let everybody come. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being here. Let's continue to move. We need to move. Let's go. Thank you all. Happy India's Independence Day to you. 78th Independence Day. I look at you. Your energy, your charm, your spirit is so good. Thank you.
Guys, against the fence, against the fence. Guys, against the fence, the fence. Yo, you're not listening, man. You gotta go to the fence.
भाई और बहनों, ladies and gentlemen, हमारे प्यारे तालीम भैया, also known as पंकज त्रिपाठी जी, धीरे धीरे यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं स्टेज पे। ओके, जब तक पंकज त्रिपाठी जी यहाँ पे आते हैं, guys, hold. All right, no music. All right, guys, here is the quote, Consulate General of India. India has been achieving tremendous milestones in the field of science and technology. Therefore, this year, Consulate General of India is displaying India's achievements in science, technology and space. The float displays some of these stories like Chandrayaan 3, Pragyan rover, India's first 5G-enabled drone, Aditya L1 and Gangayaan cruise space mission. Consulate General of India, thank you so very much for recognizing India's achievements and displaying them on the floor. Thank you. And we are also very thankful to Consul General of India, Honorable Sri Vinaya Gandhi. Ladies and gentlemen, here comes the guest of honor, Pankaj Tripathi ji. Sir, welcome. Welcome to India. FIA's 42nd Cadet Parade. आप सब लोग ready? आप सब लोग तैयार? Pankaj ji, मैं ये बताऊं, everybody is so excited. They were looking forward to see you here at the parade. And finally, you're here. मैं इन सबसे ये पूछना चाहता हूँ, क्या बोलना बंदे को? किसकी जय बोलनी है? पंकज जी, let's go. आप सभी को मेरा जवाब
Dr. Gupta, please carry on.
I'm proud that FIA could get all the facility together. We are celebrating our 78th anniversary. We are proud that हमारे बीच में Olympic Finance और कंट्री पार्टी टीम हमारे
Thank you so very much, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like you all to direct your attention here on the stage. I need to make some, as we are recognizing Indian American part of NYPD Police Department. Must come forward, please, and be with come. These are our Indian American police officers, part of New York Police Department. You all need to be in the front. Carry on. Go ahead. Go ahead. Have your moment. And thank you so much for your service. Alright, good. We thank all the American police officers, sergeants, and everybody else here. Support for with that note, ladies, it is my honor. 1, 2, 1. Just in time we need you David. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure and honor to introduce you, Consul General of India in New York, Honorable Vinay Pradhanji. Give him a big
Thank you. It's a real proud moment to be part of this occasion. And what I saw today is the best of India being represented here, the best of Indian American communities being represented here, and of course we in the consulate are part of it. We are displaying Indian space power and cooperation. Let me thank for doing it year after year from to do it. It's not a small, but it's a real proud moment, and iconic personalities from India, Pankaj Tripathi has joined us here today. So let me thank FIA, Dr. Gupta, and all others who are associated with it. Thank you.
Chief guest for this 42nd parade. मनोज की आपका स्वागत है यहाँ पे. सुस्वागतम. Welcome to New York. Manoj Tiwari all the way from Delhi, India. Gracing this occasion, India Day Parade representing India in New York on India's 78th Independence Day. Alright, once again, thank you. Thank you, Bajana. Jai Bihar. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's have a big round of applause for Manoj Tiwari ji for the very first time here representing India on India Day, India's Independence Day. Manoj ji, abhi thodi der mein stage pe
Sinai, Dr. Samin K. Sharma Family Foundation Cardiac Catheterization Laboratory at the Mount Sinai Hospital is the leading and the business cath lab in the city. Comprised some of the world's most experienced oncologists, the Mount Sinai Hospital, expert diagnosis, state-of-the-art technology, and unparalleled excellence. To the patients, I'd like to request Dr. Samir K. Sharma to say a few words. Dr. Sharma, thank you so very much for supporting India Day Parade. Alright, we have United Panamanian Veterans marching band here. Honor, dignity, and respect.
हमेशा सबके लिए खुला रहता है और करीबन 1000 लोग विजिट करते हैं आपसे सलाह सूचन देने के लिए। ये बात सही है?
सर ये बात तो बिल्कुल सही है, क्योंकि जब से नरेंद्र मोदी देश के प्रधानमंत्री बने हैं हमें अपने घर में ताला लगाना बना है। जो भी आएगा वो घर के अंदर आएगा, घर के अंदर ऑफिस है और रोज 1000 के आसपास लोग आते हैं और वो लोग अपनी बातें कहते हैं और कई बातों का निदान होकर के भेजा जाता है। तो भारत बदल चुका है सर, और आप लोग भारत में जो ये यहाँ जो लोग उपस्थित हैं बच्चे, वाह वाह, ये थैंक यू सो मच।
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for ITV Gold!
ये यंग इंडिया है,
Big sponsor!
और ये तिरंगा वो भी अमेरिका के झंडे के साथ, इसका एक अलग अर्थ है सर। और मैं समझता हूँ आने वाला समय भारत और अमेरिका को एक साथ पूरे दुनिया में छा जाने का है। सो ऑल गुड विशेष।
Here comes FIA's float, and on FIA's float we have a Grand Marshal of this year's parade. I think you will love to on FIA's float we see Kennedy Desai, past president. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together to welcome Grand Marshal of this India's 78th Independence Day Parade in New York, Sonakshi Sinha. Welcome, namaskar, और उनके साथ सही रिकॉर्ड आपका स्वागत है न्यू यॉर्क में। Welcome, everyone's waiting for you. जल्दी आ जाओ. Thank you. To celebrate India's 78th Independence Day, FIA's 42nd India Day Parade, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The world is one family. Here we go. This is what FIA is all about. Bridging cultures from east to west and bringing them together to celebrate our great nation, India's Independence Day in this great country, United States of America. All right, ladies and gentlemen, our Grand Marshal, Sonakshi Sinha, and the guests, Saeed Iqbal approaching the stage. Let's have a big round of applause. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome, Sonakshi ji. Sonakshi, before you get busy, let's have a few words from you. How is your experience and how are you feeling with what you see here? Namaste, namaste sabko. Your parents are waiting to hear from you.
Good afternoon, New York! We're so happy and thankful to the FIA for bringing us here as a couple. Because when we got married, we were told that our union signified love, happiness, togetherness, harmony, and I can see that all reflecting in all of you today. And we hope to keep it that way. Happy, happy, happy Independence Day to all of us!
Sonakshi, I want to say one thing here. FIA. Sonakshi, I want to say that FIA has made history today. Your father, Sukhbir Singh, was a Grand Marshal some 35 years ago, and now you as a daughter. So father and daughter combination representing India in New York. Thank you so very much. Thank you. Thank you.
your message to Indian American community through these channels. Let's get moving very quickly. Okay, the next photo is approaching. It's the Odisha Society of America. Okay. Right after this photo goes by, we're going to talk to Sahin Odisha Society of America, also known as Utala, is one of the 7 Indian states mentioned in the Indian national anthem. Was established in 1936. Odisha Society of America was established in 1969. It's a socio-cultural movement-based, non-profit organization dedicated to the pursuit of excellence by fostering and propagating Odia culture in the North America. Thank you, Odisha. Thank you for supporting Indian Airlines. With that note, I'd like to request, I know he's very busy, but I'd like to request one of our guests, Sahin Iqbal. Can you guys say a few words about your presidency?
So, we all happen to be my friends today and we are sitting on your presentation. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for having us. Thank you all for sharing so much love with us. Thank you.
Gujarat Christian Foundation of America, New York. Gujarat Christian, very nice. Thank you. Alright, as you can see, our review stand is full with our Grand Marshal, Chief Guest, Guest of Honor, guests and the other dignitaries, as well as to augment the involvement of Asian American nationwide on the socio-economic health bills. Support Donald Trump. Hold on, no music. Hold on to the music, guys. Thank you so very much. This is the founder and chairman, Hemant Bhatt, Park Patel President, Neil Bing, Karan Soni President,
And we will make America great
everybody else, and Karan Soni also, Rajasthani, organization and thank you, Asian American Republican Coalition, Art, and the message is very clear for the Indian people. Good to see you as well. From 2024, that's the message.
and we will make America great again.
Go back over here.
She can have one plate just from here. My daughter wants to have it. Be careful, be careful. I'm gonna...
Okay, right there, right there. Let's go, we gotta move, we gotta move. Go, go, go. Right there.
Move, guys. Gonna move. Guys,
Go, let's go, my man. Move.
Where's the cup?
You gotta keep moving. Move. Go.
Namaste, and it's a proud moment to have all of you here. I want to resonate the participation from the various groups, their messages, including the Bangladeshi community. We appreciate your message. Thank you. And we pray that your message gets across. Thank you. Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Thank you. While we resonate their feelings and their pain, we are with the group here, Indian American community gathered here to celebrate the 78th anniversary of our motherland, our native India. I'm thankful to the city of New York, Mayor Adams, Governor Hochul, the state of New York, NYPD, the entire team of the FIA 2024 Parade Council, Dr. Avinash Gupta, his team, our board. Everybody has worked very hard throughout the year, and what a beautiful day. 178,000+ people. What a show. Thank you, India. Thank you, America, and thank you, the Indian American community. We're thankful to all of you. Keep up the good work. Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Have a great time. Honored to have all the distinguished guests here. Enjoy the show, guys. Thank you.
No one, please. Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. Okay. Everyone know the rules? Hands behind your back, please. Okay. You have to put bundi and pani in each puri and then eat it. You cannot eat the puri first and then the bundi, okay? You have to finish everything on your plate. Alright? Let's get started in 3, 2, 1.
Hello, I'm Shaili Jha from New Jersey. So this is my folk art. Like I practiced this for last 3 years, and this is called Madhubani art or Mithila art from North Bihar and the Tarai region of Nepal. And we use mostly the nature theme from nature or mythology, Hindu mythology, and we incorporate into this art. This is a very ancient art, and we use natural colors and nibs and brushes to portray this. And we have, I have showed my exhibits. I have exhibited my work in the UN headquarters in New York, the consulate in US consulate in many times, and I take workshops and go to my workplace.